Hello, Nebraska laundromat owners. This is Brian Wallace from Coin Laundry Association and providing you an update on the important issue of protecting the sales tax exemption for laundromats in Nebraska. You'll remember that earlier this year, CLA engaged a lobbyist in Lincoln when there was a big debate going on related to the governor's plan, which included removing nearly all of the sales tax exemptions in the state of Nebraska. At that time, like I said, we were able to engage representation, make the case that laundromats should not be on the list, and in fact, we were, safely on the remain exempt list. That's where we want to be. We think we're very well qualified to have that designation. Now that a few months have gone by, and there's a special session, as you well know, coming up on, I believe, on July 25th in the legislature, that again, the governor's plan has been up for conversation. Again, this broader effort to remove sales tax exemptions in favor of being able to reduce the property tax burden, which is all well and good, but we want to make sure that laundromats are being treated the right way. So what I have here is the unofficial list of the sales tax eliminations, and I'm happy to say that in the current version, the unofficial version, we're going into this special session remaining exempt. Laundromats are not on the list of those industries to potentially lose their exemption from sales tax in the upcoming special session. So we're going to remain vigilant. We're on the case. We've got a great lobbyist looking out for us. And if you certainly have any questions or hear anything differently, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 800-570-5629, or you can just drop me a line. That's brian@coinlaundry.org. And always like to stay in communication. And so if you have questions or you're hearing any rumors, anything you think I should be aware of, let me know, because we need to work together to protect the sales tax exemption for laundromats in Nebraska. So that's it for now. I'll get back to you with more updates as warranted, but so far, good news.